Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanna give you a little bit of update on what I have done on my Chevrolet 86. I put some LED headlights. The ones I had, they were already broken and they really didn't give a lot of light. So I got this headlights. They're the octane LED lights, and I got them from Top Gear. Pretty good price, and they're very nice. They give you a very clear light, and it has a halo around it. I think I got them about for $239. So I'll put it up in a little bit. Let me show you how it looks. Of course, today's we're in daylight right now, but as you can see there, I don't know if you can see it good on the camera, but it has a halo around it. So right here it has a halo, very nice, and yeah. So I don't know if you can see it there in the reflection in the mirror, but yeah, they look nice. So halo lights for $239 for the four headlights. I think that's pretty good. So yeah, check it out. I'll put the link right below and see if what else I can do on the hot truck. Thank you for watching. This was a very quick video. Just wanted to show you the lights, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.